So here comes chapter 7. I know I gave you a task of reading the text that we will do a little later on. Chapter 7 is all about work. Arbeitsalltag. Yeah. Arbeitsalltag, that is a daily working life. So let's see what do we have in this chapter. The first one says, you have a photo of Adnan. Adnan is the man. You can see the common man in every photo is Adnan. So what is the routine of Adnan, or what is Adnan doing in all the photos? You have got here 5 options. You have got here 5 photos. So as you know, you have to read the sentences, and you have to match it with the correct photos. Yeah. So do it. You have to match the text with their photos. Revati, you still don't have the book, I feel.
No.
But you have the PDF version, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so you can do it from the PDF. Yeah. And Revati, I would just suggest you, even though the A1 is about to over, like hum isko khatam kar denge, May ke khatam hote hote. But then exercise book, it will cost you up some, you are in Delhi or outside, Revati?
No.
You are in Delhi. So I would just suggest you कि Delhi में तो Goel Publishers से सीधा सीधी book मिल जाते हैं, as in they are delivering in Delhi in 2 दिन में they will deliver you the book. So if possible, and the book will only the Arbeits book, that is the Jugends book, उसको उतना charge भी नहीं होगा. So if possible, get your hands on Arbeits book, right? It will be very easy for you to practice. And I've also shared the answers of the chapter till chapter 6. You can do as many exercises, you can check the answers, you can ask me if you have got any confusion, or अगर किसी चीज का आंसर समझ नहीं आ रहा है. So we can always discuss. So having a workbook will always give you the chance to keep on practicing. Workbook contains so many things, so many exercises, that even if a topic is not clear to you, you feel like you need to do exercise, or you have to take some practice sessions, so that you can tell me. And moreover, doing exercises from the Arbeits book will help you with a lot of things. So I would just suggest you, I will send you his number, call to him and just let him know that I need only one book, this book, and just ask him the rate. I think what the rate what is given in the Amazon and what we have for the Goel, that's it's a bit cheaper. The Goel one are the bit cheaper one. So you can just get your hands on it, and then it will be okay for you to practice. Otherwise, okay, now Revati, it's your responsibility. If I give you some homework from the Arbeits book, and being a teacher, I might think that Revati has no book and I need to send her into the group, which normally I don't forget. But if I forget by any chance, just remind me that, ma'am, you have given a homework and I have no book, so please kindly send me the photos. Yeah, so just reminding is what I'm asking. And I think Ashwin was here, but then where is he now? Wait. It's written, I have no Wi-Fi connection today and the data connection isn't very strong. So keep trying, or else I'll send you. Okay. So you girls do it. It's a girls' party, I feel, today. So do it. And then we can discuss the answers.
I'm done.
Done? Okay, super. Then, yeah, lesen Sie den ersten Satz. Read the first sentence and tell me which picture it is, Sana.
Sentence is das Kindergarten, den Kindergarten bringen. I mean, goes with pictures. Picture number 6.
Picture number C.
Sorry, not say. I mean, day.
Picture number D. Okay. Yeah. Ashwin, you are there? If you are there, so we have started with chapter 7, and we are just bringing or matching the sentences with the photos given in the book. So yeah, Rishtish, Sana. Okay, then Numas, why Samriddhi?
A.
Listen the then Zats and then say A, B oder etwas. Otherwise, मुझे समझ नहीं आएगा.
Ein Paket an him ane men.
No. आन के बाद मतलब पॉज करके बोलो उसको तो वो बनेगा. What is the
An
exact word?
an
Mm-hmm.
men.
Annehmen, Rishtish, annehmen.
Annehmen.
Okay.
A.
Das ist A. Okay. Then Revati, Nummer 3 bitte.
B.
Lesen Sie den Satz, the sentence read करके then you tell me.
B. Ticket को helfen.
Buying, that's why I always ask you to read. It's buying. Ticket kauf helfen. That's which question number? Which picture?
B.
That's B. Very good. Okay, then Sana, noch einmal bitte.
I've answered.
Yeah, noch sorry. Another sentence bitte. Einen Kaffee.
Yes, ma'am. Einen Kaffee mitnehmen. Ma'am, this goes with picture number A. Ma'am, not the ein Paket annehmen. Ma'am, this doesn't go with picture A.
You mean E. This Kaffee mitnehmen is picture number E.
No, ma'am, it is A.
Yeah, so you are saying A. Then why you're saying A to E hota hai na German ka?
Okay, ma'am, actually, I got confused with the English alphabet. Okay, ma'am, it is
No, yeah. Ein Paket annehmen is A.
Yes.
Ein Kaffee mitnehmen is A. Now
Yes.
klar?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And lie eine Kollegin grüßen. So Samriddhi?
Say.
Right. Das Kind in den Kindergarten bringen. That means to bring the child to the kindergarten. Bringen means Lavlana. Ein Paket annehmen. Annehmen is to receive something. And Paket is a parcel. Yeah. So Paket annehmen means to receive a parcel. Buying ticket kauf helfen. That means helping during the ticket buying. Yeah. So you can see the lady in big picture number B is buying the ticket and he is helping. Einen Kaffee mitnehmen, that means to take a coffee along. So he is taking the coffee with himself, that's mitnehmen. Eine Kollegin grüßen, that is he is greeting or he is greeting the colleague. That's what it is. Now, Sie hören ein Gespräche oder Sie hören Gespräche, nicht ein Gespräche. Sie hören ein paar Gespräche und Sie ordnen sie den Fotos zu. So you have to order the photos, yeah, like for which thing he is doing first, and then second, then third, then 5, like that. So out of all the things that you have in the photo, you have to arrange it with the Huron number. This is also we have done in the last chapter, that was Khan kab kya kara, to it's like similar. So you have to do it. Okay, so next find. Okay, here. So this is the audio Nummer 2.1, 2.2. Yeah, here.
Gespräch 1. Guten Morgen. Morgen. Einen Kaffee zum Mitnehmen bitte. Groß oder klein? Groß. Alles klar. Das macht dann 3,60 €. Hier, bitte. Haben Sie keinen Zucker? Doch, hier steht er. Ah, danke.
Okay. Das war Gespräch Nummer 1. Dann haben wir 2 hier.
Gespräch 2. Morgen, Adnan.
Hallo Laura. Wie geht's?
Danke, gut. Und dir?
Auch alles gut. Sehen wir uns später?
Klar, wir haben einen Termin bei der Firma Pol.
Ja, stimmt. Um 3. Dann bis später.
Bis dann. Ich hole dich ab.
Super.
Okay. Das war Nummer 2. Dann hier Nummer 3.
Gespräch 3.
Hallo.
Guten Morgen. Sind Sie Herr Demir?
Ja, genau. Adnan Demir.
Ich habe ein Paket für Sie. Können Sie bitte hier unterschreiben?
Natürlich, gern.
Und hier Ihr Paket.
Dankeschön. Und einen schönen Tag noch.
Tschüss.
Dann 4.
Gespräch 4.
Entschuldigung,
Ja, bitte.
können Sie mir vielleicht helfen? Ich brauche ein Ticket zum Hauptbahnhof.
Zum Hauptbahnhof. Sie brauchen ein Ticket für eine Zone. Das kostet 1,80 €.
Alles klar, danke sehr.
Bitte sehr.
An die letzte, Nummer 45.
Gespräch 5.
Hi Rita.
Morgen, Adnan. Hallo, Elias. Komm rein.
Du Rita, ich hole Elias heute etwas später.
Kein Problem. Wir haben ja bis 6 geöffnet.
Super. Ich denke, ich bin so um 5 Uhr da.
Alles klar? Dann bis später.
Tschüss Rita. Viel Spaß, Elias.
Viel Spaß, Elias. Okay. So bitte nummerieren Sie. Nummer 1. Was denken Sie? Welches Foto? A, okay, er hat schon einen Kaffee mitgenommen. Sehr gut. Nummer A, that is the first Huron was for picture Nummer A. Okay. Then Nummer 2 Huron, Samriddhi.
C.
Richtig. Sana and Revati, say. What is the answer for the others?
C.
Second. Okay. Then Numa Drita Huron, welches Foto?
A.
Richtig. A. Then Numa Fiota, fourth photo.
B.
Ja, richtig. Mit oder beim Ticketkauf helfen. Und die letzte, Nummer 5.
D.
Okay, super. D, das ist die. Ja. Zur Kindergarten mitbringen.